Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Student, I am here with the new concept, new topic which is very much interesting. Name is numbers, which we can say this singular and plural. Going ahead, we should know what is the singular and plural first. So for an example, I'll just take an example. See, this is the one sketch and this is the two sketch. Okay class? How many sketches here? One. Now here is two. Okay. Class, singular means when there is the one, only one object or only one thing. And plural means if there is more than one. So let's count this one. It's one and two. So this is the two. So this is the singular and this is the plural. So when it is singular, so we say pen. When it became more than one, it we say is pens. PENNS. So let's take a example. First, let's read the definitions. Class, here, look at here. This is the singular. Singular means only one. As I told you, singular means only one. This is apple, tree, boy, girl. All are the one things, right? And what is plural? Plural means more than one. See, this is apple. Now this is one means singular, single. This is more than one. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is more than one. So now what will be changed here? What is the spelling in apple? APPLE, apple. When it is single. Now when it became more than one, so we always put S to make it plural. Okay. Now take one more example. See, same things written here. We add S to naming word when they are more than one. Means when the objects are became more than one, then we'll put S end of the spelling. Let's take example. This is tree, 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 because this is one tree means singular. When it became two tree, 1, 2, it's more than one. So we need to make it plural. So what we'll do? This is the spelling of tree, TREE, tree. So what will add it? Will add it. End of the spelling is S. Now it's became plural. Okay. Now this is BOY, one boy. This is 1, 2, 3 means more than boy. So it's a BOY. Which alphabet we will going to add here? S. Now come to the girl. This is GIRL, girl. Why S is not here? Because this is the one girl. Because this is the singular girl, single girl. Now why S is here now? Because this is more than one. 1, 2, 3 girls. When things became more than one, so it is the plural. Okay, so we'll add S. So let's more examples. See, there is one activity. Activity is read each word and change into the plural by adding S. Okay, by adding S. For an example, it's PEAR, pear. It's a one pear. So when it will be changed into the three. So what we're going to put here? S to make it plural. Now come to the BALL, ball. Is it the one ball or more than one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Tell me student, it's more than one. So we need to make it plural. So what we're going to do that? Because spelling is here. So what we need to put here? We need to make it plural for S. Okay students. Now come to the, it's a one frog. FROG, frog. Now see, there is the more than one frog. 1, 2, 3. So we need to make this spelling as plural, right? So what we'll do that? We'll just add the S to make it plural. Now come to the, this is the one plate. PLATE, plate. This is the more than one plate. 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do here? PLATE. End of the spelling we put S because this is the more than one plate. Now this is the book. BOOK, book. because it is the one book. That is why we do not put S here. If we'll put S here, it became wrong. So now here this is the more than one, 1, 2. Here now we have to put the S to make it plural. It is the one chick, CHICK, chick. And here let's count, student, how many chicks are here? 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So how will you make it plural? Tell me. Yes, we need to put the S here. Okay. It's a one car, CAR. So what will you put here to make it plural? Because this is the two car. Guess, students. Yes, CAR. We are going to put S here. Okay, class. This is how we can change this singular to the plural. To see the object, we just need to check the objects and put the S end of the spelling. Now, student, there is one more concept with the same topic. Look at here carefully. We add ES to naming word that end in S, double S, X, SH, CH or O when they are more than one. Means if any spelling ending with S, double S, X, SH, CH or O, then that time we need to put ES end of this spelling to make it plural. As we in here we put with here we need to put S to make it plural. Here we need to put ES to make it plural only when if any spelling has ending with S, double S, X, SH, CH and O. Okay, class, got it? To make it plural. Now I have a more example for that. See, look at here. Look at this carefully. Now class, look at the picture and read the given words. It is the GRASS. Okay, it's a one class. It's a more than one. G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why it is ES here? We should put S also here. No, why? As I told you, when any spelling ending with S, double S, X, SH and O and CH. When any spelling ending with these all words, in that case we need to put ES to make it plural. Okay, class, these are the we have just done it. Now there is one exercise for you. Look at the picture given under. Okay, write what you see in each picture, then add S and ES. Means you need to identify, you need to read the spelling and identify the picture, and then you have to put under the spelling S or ES to make it plural. Okay, see, one has been done for you. This is bus, BUS, bus. So see, this spelling is end with S. So as I told you, if any spelling ended with S, double S, X, SH, CH or O, there you have to put ES. So see, it will become BUSES, buses. So this is HOUSE, house, BRUSH, brush. This spelling, this is the singular, you need to make it plural. Okay, so you have to identify whether you need to put S to make it plural or ES. This is BRUSH, brush, TOMATO, tomato, WATCH, watch, MANGO, mango, DOG, dog and FROCK, frog. Okay, student. So student, I hope you understood this concept, the singular and plural. If you want to, if you want to do more practice, you can just go through this video again and again, so that the concept will be clear and you can easily do the activity and homework. Okay, class. So very soon I will come with a new video. Till then, take care yourself.